My topic gas welding flame. So most of the people's students and engineers has been seen this type of the flame. The welder use this type of the flame to repairing the AC refrigerant gas and brazing the different type of the tools like a carbide tools, brazing in a tool holder. This type of the flame are also called the normal flame. This is the inner cone. At this point, the 3000 degrees Celsius temperature at this point. At the middle point of this flame temperature is here 2100 degrees Celsius. At the outer surface, outer envelope, the temperature vary 1050 degrees Celsius to 1300 degrees Celsius. This is the normal flame. So how to generate this flame? To generate this flame, this is the C2ST acetylene cylinder, this is the oxygen cylinder. And how to justify this is the acetylene cylinder, this is the oxygen cylinder. This cylinder is justified with the help of the color. This C2H2, the acetylene cylinder gas color has a maroon color. The oxygen cylinder has a black color. The cylinder is work at a pressure 70 to 280 kilonewton per mm square. The oxygen is work as a 70 to 130 kilonewton per mm square. The full weight of the cylinder. The weight of this cylinder C2H2 acetylene is 86 kg. The full weight of this oxygen cylinder 66 kg. 66 kg. This is the regulator. Here is regulator, here is also regulator. The end of this one, the end of this is connected to the end of this at this point. Other point is connected to this at the torch, and oxygen cylinder hose pipe is connected to the torch. This is the hose pipe. The hose pipe material should not be the hard. Should not be the hard. It should be the flexible and free from any porosity. The hose pipe color will be the red for the C2H2 acetylene gas, or black color for the oxygen cylinder. The length of the hose, you will be take the 3 meter to 5 meter. 3 meter to 5 meter. This is a regulator. This is also regulator. So regulator. This is a torch. The torch is made of the copper. So why it is made of this copper? Because the copper has some property like to withstand the high temperature, withstand the high pressure, and also have the high thermal property of this metal. So this torch is made of the copper. This is copper. The copper. This is released here. The C2H2 is released. They release with the help of this regulator to enter this air. It is ignite, it is lighted, it is burnt with the help of the spark, with the help of the spark, torch, light and other light. So here, without any mixing the oxygen, the color will be this flame will be the yellow color. So this is the oxygen. The oxygen is here is supply here. The oxygen is mixed into this. This is a mixture chamber. The oxygen and C2H2 mix and a eddy form. The current, the gases. This mixture is through with the help of this nozzle. The nozzle are generally used to 4 types. 1 number 0.5 mm, 2 number 1 mm, 3 mm 1.5 mm, 4 mm 2 mm. So 0.1 or 1 mm are generally used for the neutral flame. The neutral flame, in this form, the chemical reaction are take place in a 2 form, the first stage and second stage. Here the first stage, here is second stage. So at this point, so C2H2 and oxygen are react with to each other, and carbon monoxide and hydrogen. Carbon monoxide or hydrogen is free, and it is again react in the second stage. The carbon monoxide, hydrogen react with the oxygen. The carbon dioxide and H2O. H2O means steam. H2O in the form of the steam. So this oxygen is already present in outside atmosphere. So this oxygen are released here. So this due to this oxygen, so the outer envelope became the outer, the 3000 200 degrees Celsius temperature at this point. In this neutral flame, the oxygen and acetylene, so this mixture are used in this same volume. This type of the flame are generally used for the steel, cast iron, copper and aluminium. Second number is this is the oxygen-acetylene gas. The oxygen-acetylene gas are characterized in this flame is three types: neutral flame, oxidizing flame and carburizing flame. This is a neutral flame, this is oxidizing flame. In this form, oxidizing flame, the cone is small compared to this. Cone is small compared to this, the neutral flame. The oxygen acetylene gas are used in this volume. So 1.5 is oxygen or 1 mm is acetylene. So how to justify 1.5 is oxygen or 1 is acetylene? This is the regulator here, C2H2, the oxygen regulator is here. So oxygen 1.5 pressure is indicate here or 1 is indicated here. So you can say that this oxygen as acetylene gas are used in this volume. So this type of the oxidizing flame are in the outer face of this flame. The 3500 degrees Celsius temperature is the outer form. So compared to this flame, the size of the length of the flame is more than the neutral flame. So oxidizing flame are generally used for the brass and bronze. Third number is carburizing flame. So carburizing flame, the ratio of this oxygen is 1 or acetylene is 2. Due to the oxygen of 2, due to the more power of the volume of the 2, the size of the length and width, the size of the flame is more compared to neutral flame and oxidation flame. So in this flame, the intermediate cone is performed. The inner cone is very small. So this is the intermediate form. The outer envelope at this temperature, 3150 degrees Celsius. This type of the oxidizing flame are generally used for the this shape of this object may be the plane, rectangular, triangular, square. It means that it will be the plane. It may be the circular. So if this is the cast iron and the this is soft material. If you want to the hard this surface, so this carburizing flame are used to become a surface, to become a hard of this object. The 1 to 2 mm depth, the carbon is penetrate. C2 is more content. So C2, the carbon is penetrate up to the 1 to 2 mm depth. Penetrate the carbon. So due to penetration of the carbon, this surface area will be the hard. This process is called the case hardening. Same process is applied here on a circular disc. The edge of the circular object you will be the hard with the help of the use of the carburizing flame. This is a gas flame is also oxyacetylene gas is having a temperature 3200 degrees Celsius. Oxyacetylene gas 2400 degrees Celsius, oxypropane 2200 degrees Celsius, air acetylene 2400 degrees Celsius, air propane 1750 degrees Celsius. These are the flames. These are the flame are generally used to repairing the AC, to brazing the copper pipe in AC refrigerator, and also used to brazing the carbide tips on a tool holder. These are the flame. These are the flame are gas welding. These are the flame are used in a gas welding. So gas welding are play a very important role in daily useful life. I hope that you will like my lecture. Thank you very much.